The following video course contains the use of sharp knives. If attempting at home, personal protective equipment such as cut-resistant gloves, sleeves, and aprons are highly recommended. Next up, the butterfly cut. Slice the loin to your desired thickness, stopping 3/4 of the way through. Then make a full cut at the same thickness and open the chop to form the classic butterfly shape. Trim any excess fat if desired and place the fat into your raw sausage mix. The true magic of the butterfly cut lies in its potential as a stuffing pocket. Here's one of my favorites. Grab some of your homemade sausage, make a slice in the casing, and gently free the sausage from the casings. Place them into a mixing bowl. I'd recommend using Gino's spicy Italian sausage from page 7 of the Big Sausage Recipe book for the perfect balance of flavor and heat, but store-bought Italian sausage will work just as well. Next, throw in pre-cut 1/4-inch cubes of red delicious apple or Granny Smith. Then grab your favorite hickory smoked bacon and slice it into small pieces as shown on screen. For a quicker option, you can use pre-made bacon bits, but I personally prefer the rich, authentic bacon flavor that comes from a locally sourced butcher. Just be sure to use a separate cutting board for the bacon. Throw those into your bowl and begin to mix thoroughly. You can try a bunch of flavor ideas here, like pesto and prosciutto, asparagus and Swiss cheese, or spiced ground pork with roasted red peppers. The sky's the limit here, nerds. Once the mixture is well combined, form a ball that fits comfortably in the palm of your hand, just like shaping the perfect snowball. If mixed correctly, you should have a well-balanced, flavorful stuffing. Gently place it in the pocket, stuffing it snugly. Press the filling to ensure an even distribution, then fold the pocket together carefully to secure the stuffing inside. This technique keeps everything in place while maintaining a neat and uniform shape. Next, we need to secure the pocket by tying a few strings around it to keep everything in place. If you haven't taken the Butcher's Knot Essential Skill course, you might want to backtrack here. This step does require a bit of technique and practice, as getting the knot tight enough to hold the pocket securely is important, but not so tight that it damages the meat. Take your time and make sure the strings are evenly spaced to ensure an even cook. With some patience, you'll master this skill in no time. Be sure to lock these knots to prevent any loose ends from causing issues during cooking.